were there cabinet lights above your cabinets here?
No, I don't know what that is.
Yeah,
Oh,
they were.
Wait, they were?
Yep. It was set like there's those box things, like there's one underneath and one on top.
Like just a fluorescent bar.
Yep. Well, it was all enclosed.
Okay, wow.
Huh.
Did they go on by the same switch? I mean, I hardly use the under.
I'm sure they did. I'm sure they
So
were all
I
wired
never noticed.
together.
Yeah, I was
So
gonna
that means
say.
they weren't even worthwhile if I didn't know them.
Well, they might have burned out. I mean,
Yeah.
who knows? I mean, you have them. You might as well. Although we're going to the ceiling with all of
Yeah.
this stuff, so you can't use them anymore anyway.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In that clip, we showed you a little tidbit of some of the random things that can come up in a remodel. The homeowners were unaware that they had above cabinet lights. They had no idea until we started ripping things out and the wires were coming out of the wall. Just something that's always interesting about the job. There is always something that you'll find that's not the same from the last job. In addition to that, we also solved the venting solution. We decided that we would be able to vent it through the wall and add a soffit in the laundry area at the ceiling and then out to the outside of the house. It's ideal for that type of a stove. You definitely want that to be vented to the outside of your home instead of recirculating back into your house. In this video, we will be showing you the process of removing the old venting, installing the new venting, and also a little bit of the installation of that soffit. I will also be showing you what it looks like when that closet was completely removed. That actually hosted the other vent, so that had to be recirculated into the vent that's going out to the outside of the house. We also addressed some of the rough-in electrical items, just the things to kind of bring the house up to code and make sure that everything is correct before we start putting things back into the kitchen. Enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other social media sites that will be linked below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Here is the closet that we removed. It will be replaced with a pantry cabinet, and the vent that was inside will be rerouted. This is what that duct looks like when it's cut. We are preparing to move it to the notch area against the wall to create room for the new cabinet. Here is where the new hood vent is going to be located, which is above the location of the new dual fuel burner that will be installed. A hood vented to the outside is ideal for this type of range to expel the potential smoke generated while cooking. As you can see, the electricians cut out this section of drywall all around the room so they could access the wires they needed to more easily. They relocated and added switches and outlets as needed to bring this home up to the new code standards. This is a structure for the new soffit in the laundry area. It will go around the perimeter of the room and eventually go to the outside of the house. It looks a little strange now, but it will be drywalled and painted to match the rest of the room. It will look like it's been there all along. The soffit and vent will continue through the closet and finally to the outside of the house. As you can see, the metal exhaust vent has already been installed. As for the floors, we will sand them down to the bare wood, stain, and refinish them.